And I was actually imagining, and I've seen so many delivery scenes, real ones on YouTube, and they used to keep sending me stuff to watch. That I think I'm petrified to deliver a child actually in my life. I'm not sure if I want to I want to deliver in real life.
ऐसा नहीं है। ये दो बूंद है, सागर है फिल्म में, अभी बहुत कुछ है। सो इससे कयास न लगाएं। उन्हें लग रहा है कि इसमें सब समझ आ गया, लेकिन नहीं, कोई ये सस्पेंस थ्रिलर नहीं है कि मर्डर किसने किया।
Working with Prabhas has been very fun. I was told he's a very shy person and he doesn't talk much, and that was a thing that I was told by many people. But I think I found it completely opposite. मेरे पास एक वीडियो भी है जिसमें मैं कोशिश कर रही थी कि मैं when you're delivering a child, like your blood goes on your face and you're flushed fully and you're it's red, and I was trying to go ulta on the bed to get blood to my face. So
I'm saying that, today the trailer dropped and there have been amazing responses to the trailer by your fans. And I promised them that I'm going to take a few reactions and I'm going to take your reaction to their reaction on the trailer. So there are over 10,000 comments. And I'm going to read out a few top ones. So 5 Oshal, I don't know what the name is, but 5 Oshal has commented on your trailer, on YouTube trailer. Better than expected already. Good to see Pankaj ji in a slightly different kind of role. So excited to see Kriti in this one. What do you have to say to 5 Oshal?
I said it's nothing like what you expected. So I'm glad that it's better than what you expected.
Super.
Vivek Kumar have said, all are saying that the trailer expresses the whole story of the movie. But people are forgetting that the journey of this movie will definitely be fantastic and they will definitely watch it for Kriti and Pankaj.
ऐसा नहीं है। ये दो बूंद है, सागर है फिल्म में, अभी बहुत कुछ है। सो इससे कयास न लगाएं। उन्हें लग रहा है कि इसमें सब समझ आ गया, लेकिन नहीं, कोई ये सस्पेंस थ्रिलर नहीं है कि मर्डर किसने किया। बट बहुत कुछ है हाँ, कि हमने वो दिखा दिया कि कौन मर्डरर था। नहीं, इसमें बहुत कुछ है जो फिल्म देखेंगे तो समझ में आएगा। और कुछ नहीं है, ये दो बूंद है, समंदर बाकी है अभी दोस्त।
ये तो सिर्फ पिक्चर बाकी है।
Charcha with Bhurani has said, looks like a perfect mixture of comedy and emotion. Pankaj ji, wow. Kriti Sanon looks too promising.
इनको भी वाव।
This is my response.
Yeah.
But he's right, because he or she, whatever, is right. Because it is a blend of comedy and emotion. It will actually make you laugh a lot. It'll make you cry, and just when you are probably taking a tissue to wipe your tear, it'll make you laugh again.
Arnab.08 has asked you both this question, Kriti and Pankaj sir. What was the toughest part for you in the film?
बहुत सारे टफ पार्ट थे, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है कौन सा था सर।
हाँ, बहुत सारे, एक दो थोड़ी है।
लक्ष्मण सर,
गिविंग बर्थ,
डिलीवरी सीन,
वेट पुट ऑन से लेके और डिलीवरी सीन तक।
Actually, everything was quite tough.
Actually, the second half was pretty intense and different for me. The feeling of when she becomes a mother, that is again an emotion that I don't relate to. It's a lot of mental change, not only physical change. Gaining 15 kilos was definitely very tough, but I think I would also say delivery scene was one scene I was very nervous about, because Lakshman sir, and I think ऐसा delivery scene, honestly speaking, मुझे नहीं लगता हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हुआ है। हमेशा हम कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा कॉमिक रिलीफ डाल देते हैं उसमें, थोड़ा फनी तरीके से दिखा देते हैं और हल्का सा दिखा के निकल जाते हैं। बट लक्ष्मण सर was very clear. He was like, I want to show it the real raw way. I want that a man should experience the pain seeing what a woman goes through when she's delivering a child, and probably look at her wife and feel like, wow, how did you do it? So that was the brief that was given to him, to me by him, and I think that scene obviously was. I was very nervous. I remember I was trying to do कि क्या करूँ. मेरे पास एक वीडियो भी है जिसमें मैं कोशिश कर रही थी कि मैं when you're delivering a child, like your blood goes on your face and you're flushed fully and you're it's red, and I was trying to go ulta on the bed to get blood to my face. So हम actors कभी-कभी अलग-अलग चीजें try करते हैं ना, पता नहीं क्या चलने वाला है. So at least my method, I don't know my method. I try. It's hit and trial always. So I was doing ulta and Lakshman sir was shouting, making नहीं है जब actor making वाली चीजें कर रहा है, दिखाओ ये सब. He has started shooting it and हाँ मिमी blood आ रहा है, blood आ रहा है face पे आ रहा है. और मैं उठी और जब तक टेक शुरू होता था वो सब वापस चला जाता. Then लक्ष्मण से आप इतने गोरे हो ना कि ब्लड दिखता ही नहीं है. So I was trying things, but I think when I started doing it, it was, I don't know, it just was feeling real to me from inside, and I was actually imagining. And I've seen so many delivery scenes, real ones on YouTube, and they used to keep sending me stuff to watch, that I think I'm petrified to deliver a child actually in my life. I'm not sure if I want to deliver in real life.
Gurpreet Kaur 1966 has asked Kriti, what kind of guys do you like, cute or hot and tall? And I will add one more, Samiha Tas again, Gurpreet Tas and maybe Samiha Tas 09 has said, if you got an opportunity to go on a road trip, who will you choose? Ananya, Tara, Sara, Janvi, and why? The first wala, second wala.
Wow, you've asked me two questions very different from each other. What kind of a guy? Listen, I have a long list. I don't think they exist, honestly speaking. To begin with, I would want a taller guy at least than me. It's very odd otherwise, And so taller for sure. And apart from that, I think someone who's real, someone who's loyal, very difficult to find, and someone who has a decently good sense of humor. See, now you can't find a guy like that.
We can. I tried also once.
Not in my generation, I feel.
जो है उनकी उम्र.
But the person I wanted you to date is already dating somebody else. If Kriti got an opportunity to go on a road trip, who would you pick, Kriti?
I mean, I don't know anyone very, very well, honestly. But randomly, if I have to say, probably Janvi. I just like whatever little bit I've spoken to. She's very sweet and.
हाँ नहीं अब वो जर्नी अच्छी होगी, मैं श्योर हूँ.
चलो ये हम दोनों के पिता बन चुके हैं तो.
हाँ. मुझे मालूम है. समझा मैं कैसे चॉइस करता हूँ कास्टिंग. सब सुंदर सुचारू सुशील लड़कियां हैं.
Kavyakshri 753 has asked, Kriti, your career has taken off in a way that we all wanted it to be. Today, you're also doing a film with Prabhas. How was the experience? It's one of the biggest films. And Mimi, love for Mimi. Love and hug.
So much. Thank you so much for the love for Mimi. Working with Prabhas has been very, very fun. I think I was told he's a very shy person and he doesn't talk much, and that was a thing that I was told by many people. But I think I found it completely opposite. It could be me, I don't know. But when I started talking to him, I think once his hi was a very shy hi. He was like, hi. Bas. But when we came on set and we started talking, I think he's a very talkative person. He's extremely chilled out. He loves food. I love food. So that was a great thing. He got some amazing, amazing food for us. And he's very easy and chilled out, which is really nice, on a set. It's nice to have someone to interact with, talk to, someone who's fun, someone who the moment the director says cut can also joke around and laugh. We all need a little bit of happiness on set. So it's been amazing so far.
Web55 has asked to Pankaj sir, congrats on Kagaz. बॉलीवुड में विलेन का रोल ज्यादा पसंद करेंगे या हीरो का?
मैं ऑफ कोर्स हीरो का, बट हीरो जैसा हीरो नहीं, मेरे जैसा ही हीरो जिसको मतलब नॉर्मल हो, जो अनुलोम विलोम करता हो,
अनुलोम विलोम।
सर इस फिल्म के हीरो आप ही हो।
करेंगे यार, वो ऐसे बहुत मुश्किल है बताना। एक में थोड़ा पॉजिटिव किरदार हो तो दूसरे में थोड़ा ग्रे हो, निगेटिव हो तो मजा आता है। बट शुक्रिया।
But you know, I only have so much love to give all of you. इतना बात करके भी लग रहा है कि बात ज्यादा नहीं हुई, but honestly speaking, this film has a lot of my heart also, and I genuinely, तहे दिल से, I wish that this film gets all the love and applause it deserves, and hopefully ये इतनी चले डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे कि जब थिएटर्स भी चालू हो तो थिएटर ओनर्स स्टार्ट प्लेइंग दिस मूवी। And love you, love to the cast, including Sai. I think she's also an amazing actress in addition to the cast, and everybody else, you know, Supriya ma'am, everybody, and Lakshman sir, aap magic karte ho, and Kriti, you to are apna.
Thank you, Nan.
Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you,
Nan.